All right, the last one, number 3, we've got 2x cubed minus 20x, which is greater than or equal to 6x squared. So part A, I'm going to bring the 6x squared to the other side over on the left and set it the 0 on the right. Not only that, but I'm going to make sure I'm going to write my exponents in descending order. So I'm going to have my 2x cubed written first. I'm going to subtract 6x squared. That's going to go next. And then I'm going to put my minus 20x next to that. Again, my powers are written in descending order, and I'm going to set that greater than or equal to 0. All right, I'm going to factor this. Hopefully it'll make life a little bit easier on me here. So I'm going to factor out a 2x, and that gives me a x squared minus 3x minus 10, which is greater than or equal to 0. And I'm going to factor that trinomial one last time. So I got 2x, and this is going to give me an x minus 5 and an x plus 2. All right, is greater than or equal to 0. All right, so now I'm ready to go part B. Set each of these equal to 0. And we quickly discover that x equals 0, x equals 5, and x equals negative 2. All right, we're going to put those right on the number line here. Let's go with the negative 2 first, then the 0, then the 5. All right, let's go ahead and run our test. And we're going to make a checklist 4, and let's just say 2x times x minus 5 times x plus 2, and we want to make sure that that product is greater than or equal to 0. All right, so let's let x be something from over here, and let's just say negative 3. Okay, so if x is negative 3, this is a negative 6 or a negative value, and negative value, which equals a negative value for the product of 3 negative numbers, right? All right, so this is going to be a negative here. Let's try something in that interval there, and let's go with a negative 1. So if x is negative 1, got a negative, but a positive. Okay, and that's going to give us a positive product. And then we're going to check something right here. Let's use a number like 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'm just going to go with positive 1, and this will be a plus, a minus, and a plus, which gives us a negative product. And last but not least, something over here like 6. All right, when I put 6 in there, that's going to give me a positive value all the way across, right? Which gives us a positive result here. Okay, and we want all of our values this time that are greater than or equal to 0, so we'll be using brackets where we can. All right, so that'll be between negative 2 and 0. I could use brackets for both of those. And also from 5 to infinity. So bracket on the 5, parenthesis on the infinity. All right, I'd like your guys' homework to look exactly like the notes today. That way I know you're getting your answers through rigor and through my notes rather than getting your answers elsewhere. I'm going to emphasize that on Canvas again. I'm going to say it. Do your homework just like the notes, please, today. Show all that work for every single problem. Appreciate it, and good luck.